What do you do when you want the offer or that has your product to be available today and you have it set for some time in the future? Well, it's super, super easy. Kajabi made this a piece of cake for us. You just need to go to the offer that is tied to the product that you wanted to release in the future, but you actually finished early and you want to get it out there early. Just click on the offer, and then right here where you set begin access at a specific date, all you need to do is put your cursor in the box and move it to the date that you want it to be. When you have it, then click save, and Kajabi will register or notice that it is ready for today, and it will send out. It does have it'll tell you right here that 10 a.m. Pacific time that you specify. So if it's past that time, then it'll go out the next day. But it's super easy to do, and a way to go for having it ready early. Hope that was helpful, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.